I went out this morning for a quick trip to the grocery store. And when I came back to the house, it smelled like fresh baked something I didn't know until I went into the kitchen and I saw the delicious cookies cooling on the counter. Yum.
I love chocolate chip cookies, and that's why today I'm sharing with you my favorite version of the Toll House chocolate chip cookie recipe. Stick around. Hey, listen, if you like this content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. The original Toll House chocolate chip cookie recipe calls for 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar. I got a little tweak. I'm going to play with the ratio of sugars. I was reading this book called Salt, Fat, Acid, and Heat, and the author also loves Toll House chocolate chip cookies, but she said you can get a chewier cookie if you increase the brown sugar by 1/4 cup and decrease the white sugar by 1/4 cup. You'll get a really nice chewy cookie. So I tried that and I love it. The first thing you want to do is combine your butter, your white sugar, and your brown sugar along with the vanilla extract. Beat that together until it's smooth, and then you'll add 2 eggs, one at a time. Next, you want to combine your flour, baking soda, and salt. Then add that to your mixing bowl, stir it in. Don't overbeat it, just stir it in until it's combined. And for this recipe, I've added a handful or so of chopped toasted walnuts. You can toast these on the stove in a saute pan very easily. Let them cool, then chop them up, coarse chop them, and add them. For the chocolate chips, I'm using Callebaut Belgian chocolate. It's got a great mouthfeel, very smooth and very tasty chocolate. It's got 54.5% cocoa butter, which is more than you can find in a grocery store brand chocolate. I recommend it highly.